Fantastic location close to Barkley Village. Enjoy your large backyard from the expansive deck and living room. This impeccable, split-entry home features a light and bright living, kitchen, and eating floor plan with vaulted ceilings, 3 bedrooms upstairs, and 2 bathrooms. The primary bedroom has its own private ensuite with a shower. Downstairs is complete with a second living room and a 3/4 bath. The basement could work for multi-generational living with its own exterior entrance. A great 2-car garage. The backyard is fully fenced with raised garden beds and a large deck, excellent for entertaining or relaxing, an abundance of storage in the shed for tools outside and located in a well-established neighborhood.